Have you ever wondered what the food in the Himalayan kingdom of Bhutan tastes like? It's a culinary journey that's as rich and diverse as the country's stunning landscapes. Join us as we explore the 10 craziest foods of Bhutan, each a new chapter in this kingdom's enchanting gastronomic tale. Our first stop is Ema Datshi, a fiery blend of chilies and cheese. This isn't just a dish, it's a national obsession. Imagine a stew simmering with the heat of chilies, softened by the creaminess of cheese. It's a flavor explosion that represents the Bhutanese love for spice and dairy. Next, we have Jasha Maru, a spicy chicken stew that's as comforting as it is delicious. This dish tells a tale of Bhutanese villages, where chickens roam freely and fresh produce is a way of life. Marinated in a blend of local spices, the chicken is slow-cooked to perfection, creating a hearty stew that warms the soul. Onward to Phakshapa, a dish that sings praises of Bhutan's love for pork and red chilies. The meat, tender and flavorful, is cooked with mountain-grown red chilies, bringing a burst of fiery flavor to every bite. It's a testament to the Bhutanese knack for balancing heat and flavor. Now, let's delve into the unknown with yak meat dishes. Yes, you heard it right, yak meat. A staple in the high-altitude regions of Bhutan, yak meat is lean, rich, and incredibly versatile. It's a reminder of the Bhutanese people's resilience and adaptability. Bhutanese red rice, a unique variety grown at over 8,000 feet above sea level, is our next culinary marvel. This nutty, slightly sweet rice is a staple on the Bhutanese dining table, telling a tale of the fertile valleys and the abundant harvests of the Himalayan kingdom. Finally, no journey through Bhutan's food landscape would be complete without a mention of the traditional butter tea. This rich, buttery concoction, often served in a wooden bowl, is more than a beverage. It's a symbol of Bhutanese hospitality and warmth. So, there you have it, 10 of the craziest foods of Bhutan. Each dish, a delightful blend of indigenous ingredients and traditional cooking methods, tells a story of Bhutan's rich cultural heritage and vibrant culinary traditions. From the fiery Ema Datshi to the comforting Jasha Maru, the hearty Phakshapa to the exotic yak meat dishes, the unique Bhutanese red rice, and the traditional butter tea. Each food item is a testament to the kingdom's culinary genius and the deep-rooted cultural significance of food in Bhutanese life. So the next time you think of Bhutan, remember it's not just a kingdom with stunning landscapes. It's a culinary paradise waiting to be explored one dish at a time.